What's going on, guys? I just got out of work. It is Saturday afternoon. It's about 2:41. I'm about 5 minutes away from my house. I got out at 2:30. Yeah, I don't live too far from work. Thank God. Holy shit, look at the CRX. God damn, that motherfucker mint. Jesus. God damn, she mint. Alright guys, so I'm over here about to go home. It's clean, bro. God damn. But I'm almost home. I'm gonna go grab my exhaust. And I'm gonna go to the exhaust shop to try to get it mounted. Hopefully I get there quick. They close at 6. I'm gonna be going to Mike's Performance Exhaust. That's the only shop I go to out here in LA. And hopefully they take me, and hopefully it's not too expensive, you know. But it is gonna need a little bit of work to get it mounted because it has a crack, as you guys saw in my exhaust cleanup video. Wait, did I show you guys? Damn, I didn't post that video, but I actually cleaned it. I deleted the video because it wasn't really, like, you know, sometimes I do that, guys. I record a video and then I'm not too happy with it, so I delete it. I'm like, I don't want to post this because it's not worth me posting it. But let's head home now, grab the exhaust. I'll show it to you guys. I'll do a little before and after clip of the car warmed up with the exhaust. I tried to do a cold start video at work, but I just wanted to get home quick so I could load it up and go. But yeah, I'm sorry about that, guys. Let's head over here to my house. Here it is, guys. Let's go ahead, load it up and jam. Sheesh. Only in Los Angeles do you find a free gas can on the side of the freeway. Free. Just pull over and grab it. Jesus. We're right here at Mike's. Let's see what they appraised me. He's gonna put it on the left to see. we go, guys. That is Team MPE for you guys. Those guys do amazing work. Pricing is beautiful, dude, for the level of work that they do, guys. If you're from the Southern California area, you need your exhaust installed, or you need a brand new exhaust, cat, radiator, anything like that, they got you, dude. I come here all the time. For my Mustang, I came here too. This thing sounds good, dude. It's not too loud, it's not too quiet. We'll see the real test right now when I hop on the highway. Man, sounds like she's breathing way better, dude. Shop just does the best quality work out there in SoCal. That's the best shop I've gone to, dude. Cheapest prices, quality work, and they're rapid. That's the best part. Like, they took probably like 15 minutes to install this. All right, guys, we just pulled up to my secret location out here. All right, guys, so here it is. The guy did me a solid, and he let it hang a little lower than normal, just because it was hitting the shifter. So here's what it looks like. It's perfect, actually. Not too low, not too high, and it's right there. It looks perfectly OEM plus. It's just a little scraped up, but that's it. No leaks. All right, so here it is. Sound test. Let's go ahead and give it some gas so you guys can hear it. I don't want to get any law enforcement officials out here. Shout out to this shop right here. Look for them on IG. Mike's Performance Exhaust on Google. These guys are incredible, guys. Today's Saturday. Tomorrow, Sunday, I'm going to a Cars and Coffee. Enjoy Life, Drive Slow. So I'm gonna be out there. That's where I'll be. Also, I'm not sure, I didn't record this, but I installed the camber kits in the rear and took out some negative camber. So as you can see, it looks like literally perfect. The wheel fitment, literally. But that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you guys like the exhaust. I'm really happy with it because it sounds stock, right? Like right now, you can't even hear it. But when you punch it, you can actually hear it. Please go ahead and give the video a like, subscribe if you haven't, turn on the bell notifications, and drop a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Follow me on IG, Toledo Customs. I post on there every day, literally, like whatever I'm doing, it's on there, whether I'm at work, etc. So like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.